All right, now I just want to make a point. Sinkholes are not just like a little bit of dirt started to fall through a cave in here or into a mine that was underneath. This is the structure of the earth. This is the cellular structure of the earth. Yes, things are collapsing into the earth from these cells, but the cells are not created by the collapse. The cells are there as the digesters of the earth. They're obviously seen in blue holes. They're all over the earth. And they're not the product of seepage. They are what causes the circular thing, is the sinkhole structure of the earth, and the earth is alive. And that is why it has a skeletal external structure that's covered by organic material that leaches down into these biodigesters and is eaten by the earth. And that is a fact. And if you look inside of blue holes and come out with any other conclusion, I'd like to know how you do it. And I'll have, the next video will be about the blue holes in the ocean that are still alive and they are digesting stuff. And there's just virtually no question. They emit mucus. They have every single digesting, they dive through them and they say it's going through from the mouth to the anus of a digestive system. And a girl wrote a paper on this, Brianne Kirby, I think it was. I'm not sure of that name, but Brianne something. And I will have that in my next video. All right, these are blue holes, and they're found in the aquatic areas, and they are the sinkholes that are biodigesters of the earth. And they are just not, they don't have the mat of the organic material on top of them. So you can see what actually happens in here. And these are literally biodigesters. Organic material goes down inside, and it is eaten by the earth. And once they die, they turn into the gigantic sinkholes like this in Russia. Now those guys up there, there's a guy standing on the edge here. And these things are happening all over the earth. And those are the biodigesters of the earth. And they are collapsing because we've taken up too much fluids out of the earth. It's just happening. All right, this is some more evidence that shows that the surface of the earth is completely covered by holes such as this. That is the structure, the cellular structure of the external part of the earth. These are what create sinkholes. And they are normally filled up with stuff. That's a person down there. This has been collapsed eons ago. And the material inside has washed away and so forth, and the surface has sunk. Now, when this originally was full, these were digesting organic matter that was above, seeping down through here. All right, this is from a movieplot.com, it's called. And it's called the award for the most apocalyptic sinkhole. And this is in, it's a terrifying beyond belief, really. Biblical proportions, Turkmenistan, door to hell. 1971, they were drilling in here, it collapsed, they decided they'd burn off the gases that were coming out, and it's been burning ever since. 1971. All right, they were looking for, they've discovered large natural gas deposits, so the ground collapse left a massive sinkhole. They were fearing the gas could poison the area as it seeped out, so they decided to burn it. They expected it to last 4 weeks. Guess what? It's been ablaze ever since. And now we're going to let them drill in the Arctic. Who is advising President Obama? I cannot understand this. Our Earth is belching methane through these sinkholes. The surface of the Earth is collapsing. Nobody seems to understand it. I've been looking at sinkholes for a while now, and it's really a very serious problem.